Hey guys, so in this video, I want to go ahead and show you how I did a home pedicure for one of my friends. So lately, I've kind of picked up doing nails as a hobby, and it's been kind of fun. So one of my friends came over so that I could do a pedicure for her. So right now, I am putting on some callus remover. Actually, this is funny. So I thought that I had pumped callus remover on a tray so that I can paint it on her feet. But it was actually my Dove body wash, which I am using for pedicures as well. And man, girl, when I tell you that that Dove body wash worked, it really softened the bottom of her foot. So yeah, try Dove body wash. Just put it on your feet, paint it on your feet, and then get a hot towel and just let it sit there for about 5 or 10 minutes, or while you're taking toenail polish off your toes, and it works. So as you just saw, I was taking off her toenail polish she already had on her toes, and here is some DIY cuticle softener that I made. If you're interested in how I made the cuticle softener, let me know. And so the video is kind of bouncing around a little bit. This is my first time ever recording a pedicure, so I really apologize for the quality of this video, but I did want to get this out there to kind of show you guys that doing a pedicure at home is possible. So again, just removing any kind of dead skin gently. Her feet were actually in pretty good condition. Her toenails were. The bottom of her feet, she did have a little bit of dry skin, so I was getting that off for her. So she likes her toenails, square and a little bit long. So I'm just cleaning up this toenail because she actually had broke it. So just gently cleaning it up. And now this is what I was talking about. So the callus remover was taken, or her feet were taken out of the towel because they had that callus remover on there. I wet this buffer, and this is going to be her personal buffer. Nobody else is going to use it. I went ahead and disinfected it as best as I can because you can't really disinfect porous surfaces, but I did disinfect it as best as I could. And then I dried it out and then put it in a baggie with her name on it. So next time she comes over, that will be her special little buffer. So here I am just using a scrub and kind of giving her a little nice massage. It's a heated scrub, so it kind of brings a little bit of temperature to the massage. And in the meantime, I'm also getting off any dead skin that was on the bottom of her feet left over from the scrub with the callus remover. I do have a tool that I call a cheese grater. It is recommended not to use that, but I do have to use that sometimes when I have people come over that have a lot of dead skin. But she was telling me that she doesn't like to do callus removal a lot because she feels like it makes it worse, like makes her feet worse. So I was very gentle with removing just the dead skin and not any healthy skin from her feet. Hence using the callus remover and letting it sit and let it do its job instead of using the tool to get the majority of the dead skin off. So here I'm drying her feet and getting her ready for the pedicure. So as you see in the background, that's a little spa kit. This is a spa stand. I got everything off Amazon, so you can just search on Amazon whatever is in your price range, but they have a lot of different stuff. This spa stand that she had her feet in was about $100. So here's the polish that she picked out, pretty little blue polish, and that's it. I did do a base coat and a top coat, and it came out really good.